What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily, and I'm actually here inside of my 10th property. It's a fourplex here in New Orleans. Just got the keys today. Let me pull them out for you just so you know it's real. Just got the keys today. So excited. This is perhaps the most beautiful property that I have. Now, when it comes to acquiring multifamily real estate, there's three typical exit strategies. The first is fix and flip, where you come and get a property and then you flip it. You fix it up and then you flip it for a higher price and you take that appreciation that you forced in the price point. The other one is buy and hold, and I'm a buy and hold investor at this stage in my career, meaning that I'm buying and holding for the long run, for the appreciation, for the cash flow, etc. And then there is buy, fix, and hold, right? So you buy, fix it up, refi, get some of your cash back out, and then hold. So there's many different ways to play this game and to win in this game. This is my first time that I'm doing strategy number 3, which is I'm buying it, I'm fixing it, I'm gonna refi to get my cash out, and then hold it for the long run. So there's different ways to play the game, and you got to know what kind of investor you are. I know that I'm a buy and hold, but this property in particular, it has 2 units that are already done and ready to go, and we're going to get tenants in there ASAP. And then there's 2 units upstairs that need work. As you can see, look at the floors. We got to paint and things of that nature here. We got to redo the kitchens upstairs. So this one is going to require some work, and this is my first time doing this, but this is my 10th property, meaning that Fannie Mae actually only allows you to have about 10 mortgages, and so I'm tapped out, which means that now I get to commit to finishing up this property and then sharing this information with now as many people as possible. So if you want help with this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll teach you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily deals. I hope you're well, and I got to get to work. Peace.